My name is Hyra Park. I'm a fine art instructor here at Ashcan Studio of Art. I've been teaching here for almost 3 years. When our students first come to us, we try to get to know them. We try to see what kind of art they've been doing personally, look through their sketchbooks and any past works. Because we're a portfolio prep program, most of our students here are high school seniors. And so in the school year, our seniors will come here around between 3 to 4 after school. They'll work until 8 p.m. We try to have their originality come out through their pieces, but also try to give tips on how they can make successful pieces for their portfolio and get accepted into their desired school of choice.